What's up, guys? Colorado Car Dude here with another video. Got a super dirty high mileage F350 Powerstroke in the shop, 6-liter truck. You can see it's got a fifth wheel attachment in it. There we go. She's lived a hard life, as you can tell. Well, that's because, now we can see that it's 413,000 miles on it. Let's fire it up and see how it does. Fires right up. Got a tuner on it. Smells like the airport in here. But this thing was pretty rough, but 400,000 miles will explain it. Love the sound of these trucks, though. You know, everybody talks shit on 6-liters like they don't ever last and they break and everything. And yeah, they require a little more work and maintenance, but golly, let's look at 400K out of them. That's crazy. This dude says the original engine and trans, so he's had injectors done, a few other things, and it's deleted and everything now, but yeah, crazy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.